Drake. Pansy. I know, those babies won't stay off Mom. Mom won't stop laying on the floor. Dolly, get up, Dolly. Come here. Move. Kitty, I can't see. Move. A bunch of babies. Dolly, stop laying down. They don't need a boob. Oscar and Titan. Oh, sorry, not Oscar anymore. Helios. Titan.
Okay.
There's too many babies. Lily. Strike again. Hugo and my crew. Hi, crew. Lily. Hi, Lily. Louie. There's Agnes. Hey. And Rose is over there. I think I got them all. Hey. I'm crying because Mommy keeps standing up. Diego is under the desk chewing on a toy duck. Even though I'm submissive, I am the toughest one of the bunch. I love to play rough with everybody, and I make everybody cry because I'm too rough. That's Daisy. Hey. Jay said that we should have kept Titan because he's the most fun of the bunch. And Mr. Cruz likes to be sleepy and cuddly. Okay, I know. Dolly, Dolly, I'm gonna have to put your shirt on. Come here, Dolly. Let her go, Katia. Come here, Dolly. Come here, Dolly. She scratched you because she was trying to get away, and I told you. You can't hold her when she wants to go. It's not nice. It's not mean to hurt you. Let her be. She's playing. Okay, let her go. Now. Let her go. Acadia, let her go. Or you can go sit on the couch while they're out. Let her go. What? Rose is coming. Dun, 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 dun. Hi, Lily. My baby's chewing on the couch. We're missing one, aren't we? Oh no, there he is. Careful, Mom. Careful, Mom. Dolly, go easy. Daisy, Daisy. Hi, Daisy. Drake trying to climb the couch. Careful. My baby's wrestling with a sheep. Go, Cruz, go! Go, Cruz, go! You can beat that sheep.
I got you off the movie.
There's P? Wow. Hey, Dolly, get up. Get up, Dolly. Get up.
I got Titan off the movie.
You did, eh?
Yes.
Come on, Dolly, get up. Get up. They keep knocking your shirt off. Stop smacking him. Not nice.
Well, that's how you do.
No, I do not.
Yes.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
Drake.
Drake.
Drake. There's Lily. Hi, Lily. Okay, not rough like Katia. Ariel, you don't want to wear the Spider-Man mask. we don't. What's wrong? There's Louie. Hey, Louie. Hi, Louie. Hi, Louie.
Oh, there's a puppy in the kitchen.
That's fine.